Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Venmo scan to pay feature. Let's get straight into the video because it's going to be a quick one. First up, requirements. You need to ensure that you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your mobile device, and then you need to grant the Venmo app access to your device's camera to use the scan to pay features. Now that we have these requirements out of the way, for the process, what you want to do is to open the Venmo app on your mobile device, and then just tap the scan icon, that's the camera icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then you want to point your device's camera at the QR code displayed by the merchant, or the individual that you want to pay, and then Venmo will automatically detect the QR code and prompt you to enter the payment amount. Now just enter the payment amount and add a note. Of course, that's optional if you want to describe the payment. And once you're done with that, just review the payment details and confirm to complete the transaction. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Venmo scan to pay feature. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.